What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Animal Company video. Today we are playing with Butter. Go ahead, do your thing.
Kaboomers!
Perfect. This is the Mega Shotgun V2. As you can see, it has auto reload at the bottom. It has mining capabilities and some cosmetics. Let's go do this. So what are we doing today, Butter?
I don't know, you didn't tell me.
True that. But today we are going to do a bunch of things, have some fun, and show you guys what it means to be a Crab Crew member. Now,
Hang up the call though.
Sir, you're not a Crab Crew member. Get your Crab Crew skin on. Come on, Crab Crew. Get your Crab Crew skin on. Get your Crab Crew skin on. Get it. Get it right now. Get it. Get it. Get it right now. Get it right now. Get it right now.
No. Fine.
Actually, I could use this for the Mega Shotgun V3.
Where the heck is my crab? Oh,
it's kind of like a pogo stick.
But
yeah, these are literally just pogo sticks. I could use this for Mega Shotgun V3.
My left arm is staying springy, and my right arm.
Hey.
It's gonna be pug.
Butter.
What?
Butter.
What?
Come here, Butter. We gotta look at your new skin. Perfect. Okay, come on, Butter. Let's go.
The jiggle physics on mine is
Butter, you think I could add... wait, Butters. You think I could actually, like, buy these? Like, how much do these cost?
You have to... I don't know.
Wait, Butters, let's go see Butters.
Like,
so, as you guys can see, this is, like, the most powerful I've made with the Goob Save. And, yes, I did have to override my previous slot, but this is worth it. You all are having fun with the Goob Saving update. I sure am. Okay, ice on my back. Because that's how OP it is. I can also go on his back. But, let's buy this. Okay, now that I have it unlocked, we can actually use this for V3. But let's go skiing to the old map.
Yeah, take it.
No, I'm gonna use a ski shoe, because ski shoes are better. Okay, let's go, wee! We're gonna get this money real quick. Just kidding. Hello. It's quite easier with this. Hey, well, let's go. I don't need that. Let's go in the spring. Woohoo! Let's go. Yeah. Ain't no way the ski shoe is still
Bro, where did you go?
Flying. I went flying.
Are you still even, like, on the map?
Yes.
Oh, don't ask how I went so far when we started.
I'm asking. Tell me now. Tell me right now. Tell me. Wait, no! No!
Did you see me go
No!
far?
No! No! Come on!
Did you see me in the air just going crazy fast?
I think I lost my ski pole.
I'm at the OG map.
Come on, where did it go? Okay, I guess we're doing this.
Are you almost on the hill?
Yes.
Like at the
Lie, we are not.
Because I'm all the way down on the OG map.
Y'all, do you know how to tell them that we're not and that I was lying? Oh, wait, I forgot I had this. I'm just... Yeah, that's much better. I still don't get the weight system. How does it weigh less when it's on my back? It should weigh more. Also, yes, this is loaded, so if I press the wrong button, it's about to fire. Is it back there? Oh, it's still there.
Dude, I don't see you.
Yeah, I kind of dropped my ski pole, so I'm just going by hand.
Oh, just put your hands up and let yourself go down. It kind of helps.
Put my hands up and let myself go down. Okay. Well, we can do that in a second once we're past this big hill.
Just put your arms up and let yourself go down. Are you getting closer?
Yes. Okay, that's a lie. We are not getting closer. We are actually getting further somehow. I'm just kidding. I'm just mocking how long it takes. Animal Company!
I accidentally boom myself, so I kind of have to go back now.
Bro, you boomed yourself? Do you mean like Adventure Time boom boom, or do you mean like Explosion boom boom?
I mean you when you came down, but I was walking and I slipped or messed up, and then I just kind of
If you see me on the way down, give me a ski pole.
But I'm coming back.
I wish I was
That's
fast
probably
enough.
the most,
I wish I was fast enough to
most
make snowballs like this in real
reasonable
life.
death I could ever have.
Yo,
Accidentally
that was
exploding
actually a
myself.
goated pool. About to make it down. Okay, if we get too close to it, we just gotta do that. Yeah. I feel like that was a
Earlier
mistake.
during the rec room,
Yeah, I do.
we were in the Hourglass game. I had, when I got bored and waiting for you, I just kept making beats with the lighter.
Nice. That's actually sick, though.
Like, they actually sounded good, too.
I'm not as talented as Jack Blake, though. Or whatever. The gaming guy.
Are you at the hill now? Like,
I just finished. I'm at the end.
I'm still coming down.
I want to make an inappropriate joke, but it's not the time. It's about tribe. It's about power.
Let's
You
see
step
the
hungry,
bottom.
you devour. Put in the work, put in the hours, and take mega
I'm
shots.
gonna throw a snowball all the way down.
You put that pride in your name. You put that in your A. That sounded really bad. Wait, you can still buy stuff with it? No shot.
Oh, I'm almost down.
No shot. Does it work?
Yes, I made it.
Boys,
Oh wait, I just remembered. I wouldn't even
whose
be
non-mega
able.
shotgun is that?
If I did boom you earlier, you would have died and have to restart and come all the way down the hill.
I'm gonna take one of these.
Actually, no, I could use resin.
Dude, this is basically just the pogo stick. I don't get why they... Ugh. I'm gonna sit down, because I can do that in this game. Dude, I miss old Animal Company. This was the best. These were the golden days, guys. What am I looking for? It's probably a gadget. Yeah. So buy that. And then we're gonna stand up on the side. I don't feel like it right now. Okay, let's actually stand up. And we're gonna go back up. Let's go, guys.
Why are you going back up the hill?
So I can leave.
Dude, you know you...
I'm not buying another mega shotgun for 16,000 nuts.
Literally a portal that takes you there?
Wait, really?
Yeah, come down here!
Oh. The more you know. Okay, guys, do I add a pogo stick to mega shotgun? Or do I not? I'll ask Butter first, and then the community added this. I feel like this... Okay, well, we went skiing, so that counts as one area. Oi, wait a minute! This isn't the new revamped map. Oi, where are we?
I don't know.
I'm just gonna act like I did not see that. Okay, guys. I think Butter's a little weird. Did I post Rec Room Part 3 yet? Probably not. We'll do it in a minute. Yeah, but spoiler alert, I did get this invite.
Yeah.
Okay, but do I add it? That's the question. Oh yeah, that looks sick. And work. Yeah, let's do it, I say. Give me that. Wait, where did it go? There we go. Okay, let's add it. Careful. Work. Oh, that's so worse. Butter, look at this. Butter.
I'm stuck in a table!
Butter, look at this. It's pogo shotgun. Come here.
I got stuck in the table! Ah! Ah!
I'm just kidding. I'm not a Minecraft YouTuber. I'm not about to do that. Come here.
I'm stuck!
Now, did you learn your lesson, Butter?
No.
No! Guys, do you think Butter learned his lesson, or that he's
Me,
faking?
Bumble Clit! Go Bumble Boom Boom!
I swear, if you make me lose my mega shotgun, it is your fault.
Why is my arm so long?
What, your arm?
Yeah.
Let me see.
On my screen, I have a really long arm.
Oh, wait, I don't see it. Come here. Where are you, Butter?
Mama!
Butter, you're a bad crab. You put on a pug skin, didn't you? Hey, the bad pug. Actually, I want to try that. That feels nice. I'm just kidding. Weird, Butter. Isn't this just a tree stick, though? Yeah, isn't this just a tree stick?
Wait, I'm gonna go like explore the like stump, like the tree. Like what's like above it. Even though I'm seeing it all. Hey!
Oh, yeah.
Hey, every player's
Wait, I didn't know you could do this. Yeah? Bone. I've got a bone to pick with you. I've got a bone to pick with you, little human.
Hey, every player
Bone
escape.
to pick with you, little human scum.
I
I
said
can.
every player's game.
Why is there already monsters here?
That's your name.
Did you hit the freaking present in lake? Cause there's already monsters there.
Me earlier. Because I had boom boomed the lake monsters.
Okay, go boom them. Go boom boom them again.
Okay.
Go do it. Do it right now.
Wait, but I don't have boom boom.
Did. And then just frying. Yes, you do.
I'm broke now. I 421,000 more boom.
There was like 3 ogres.
Yes, only 800,000 billion.
There was like 3 ogres stacked on top of each other. No!
The boom boom doesn't do anything to ogres. How about like shotguns or any gun?
Hey, I need to be
I can go,
revived.
like down like 2 levels of the boom boom.
Okay, as long as I can get my mega shotgun fast enough, it shouldn't be.
The grenades or the whatever.
Come on, mega shotgun, mega shotgun, mega shotgun, mega shotgun. It should still be there. Please still be there. No.
Where'd you?
Come on, get it, get it, get it. Dude! I was just getting my mega shotgun, Mr. Meanie Mean Pants. Okay, let's go get the mega shotgun that totally doesn't look like a fork with a gun in the middle.
Wait, I want to show you something really cool in lake. Come to lake. I want to show you something super cool. Come to me in lake.
Hey, get over
Don't boom boom me.
I will if you don't do that. I have boom
Okay,
booms.
please don't get it. I just need to get my mega shotgun. I thought he was gonna pick up my mega shotgun. Ah! You're right! Oh, well now he's about to kill me. Oh.
Now follow me. Hold on.
When you get your
Get a
mega
boom boom
shotgun,
ready.
I want to show you.
Get a boom boom ready.
Come to the like
About
board
just, like, a
at
little
like
bit more.
at the very like end of it. Once you get your mega shotgun.
Like I'd say like 3.5. I hate this dude.
Dude, literally, you can just buy another one and stash.
No.
Goop machine saving thing. Can't you?
It costs 15, like 16,000, and I'm not about to buy that with my spare cash. I have like -1. Dude, give it back.
I am. I was doing that so you could come to me.
Okay. There we go. Also, I just want to say something, okay?
Okay,
So,
no,
like,
let me show you something cool.
well, it's
Go
episode
to
part
the
3. I
like
just
entrance of plate.
but like, I had to.
Oh my god, I'm coming.
Me too.
Oh, shut up.
Alright. Dude, come here! Fine up. I'm finna unfriend you.
Nah, bro. Boom, boom.
Block it.
Boom, boom, me.
Then come over here.
Actually, don't boom, boom me. Just show me whatever you want to show me.
Okay.
And follow me.
I'm coming. And yes, I meant that literally.
Alright. Get over here. The pan and the boom boom ammo smashed together, you get hollow boom boom.
You heard it from him. You heard it from Bojo.
Bro,
It's Gojo on
My name's
steroids.
Gojo of
You
Animal
heard it from
Company, bro.
Bojo. You heard it from Bojo himself. Hollow
I'm
boom
sadly not
boom.
Yuta. He's the
Hollow boom boom. You take the spare ammo and
Honestly,
shotgun.
my hero. I think my hero is a little bit better than JJK.
Nah, bro. Either he's on stair. Either he's on. Guys, either Butter's on crack or he's just playing weird. JJK is infinitely more better than My Hero Academia. My Hero Academia's fandom is weird.
But
too.
my hero.
Bro, what I heard was
But still, the animation.
What I heard was
Everybody unsubscribe from any player's game.
But you heard it from Mr. Bojo himself. He got hollow boom boom. Imaginary pan. Universal boom boom ammo. Is that what it was? No, it was reversal. It was reversal red. And then it was something else. But Mr. Gojo himself. Sorry, I mean off. So Ojo.
Where'd you go?
But with double O. I'm going to I don't know.
The forest?
No, it's a lake map. Yeah.
Hey, how far are you into it?
The vent.
Alright, I'm coming.
Actually, I'm in a bugged area under Lake.
Oh.
Oh wait, no. I'm in mainframe. Ski-daddle, we got a ski-daddle, put him in mainframe. Hope he doesn't know grave. Just kidding, guys. He's my good friend. I would never do anything like that to him. Except I would. Heyo. Let me take these good weapons that take up most of my weight.
Wait,
I'm
when is the
blind.
Rec Room Part 3 coming out?
What?
When's Rec Room Part 3 coming out?
If I'm not Red Watch, I do not know. Ow, my ears are ringing.
Do you even have it edited?
I don't edit my.
No, you know what I mean.
Yeah, I don't. I'm gonna publish it after.
After Animal Company 3 or after...
After we're done recording this, I'm gonna edit Animal Company 3 so they can already tell that I made a big mistake.
Wait, what?
To be honest, Rec Room and Walter the Lizard are my favorite parts. I just don't really know what to do in Animal Company. What? Why? Okay, my sister's asking weird questions. And by sister, I mean good
Asking you?
friend. We just call her sister.
Asking you weird questions?
Yeah, we just call her sister because she's like a really good family friend.
Wait, who's she asking them to?
Hmm?
Who's she asking them to?
She was saying what's the difference between first degree and second degree murder. I have no idea what that means.
Oh, I know.
Someone just answered the amount of first and second degree is the different amount of preparation. That somehow makes me more worried for no reason.
No, my Oculus is at 6%.
Oh no.
What's the difference?
Oh yeah, I can just hide my mega shotgun in here and it's disguised as a normal one. That's so cool. I have too much random stuff. But we're gonna go explore mainframe a bit. So you get a second mainframe video. We'll call it re-mainframe. Let's get right into it.
Wait, I'm searching up the difference between it.
Why are you searching that up? Don't search that!
First degree involves something.
I don't want to know the
Honestly,
answer.
these
Do not
words are-
tell me.
These answers are they're like answers too complicated for me to understand. By the way, if I just randomly stop answering you, or just randomly disappear, Or no, if I just randomly start standing still and not moving and not answering you, that means my Oculus died.
No dip, Sherlock.
And if I magically get a ogre hand and a bone, you already know what that means.
Yeah, I know.
Probably like it.
I'd rather not answer what it means.
Oh yeah, they updated the Skinwalker thing to where now he can if he gets really angry, he can walk out of his the vents.
I don't know if
What?
that's always been not, but he can walk out of the vents now.
I kind of just want to hit him, and we can just call it vents instead of mainframe, so we can explore vents instead. I like exploring vents. I don't like exploring mainframe.
I love mainframe. It's my favorite one.
Why'd you kill him? I wanted to bark at him. Don't do it.
Aww. Put it in my bag.
Aww.
Hey, where'd you go? I'm scared of the dog.
I don't even have a flashlight. There's no dark. Oh, hey, he respawned. Hit him.
Where is he?
Right here. Oh, he's dead. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead.
Where did the stuff go?
Oh, hey, there's another boom boom. If he respawns again, I swear.
Oh, he will. There's actually more
This way.
than one of them in here. Yes!
Yes, sir. How are you leaning?
Because I'm Michael Jackson.
Ow! No, you're not. I'm Michael Jackson. Fake it.
Oh god, please don't start
Drop
saying
you down.
No! Mr. Ghost Lady Woman can...
Where did you
Dude,
go?
any monster can spawn here. I'm right here. Do you have a flashlight or something?
Yes! I do.
The fact that we went from lake to this is just insane. Oh, Mimic.
Oh, Mimic.
Where'd you go?
Nah, screw that mimic. I already left, but...
You left?
Dang it, my Oculus is at 4%.
I can't see. I guess he gets
I'm
to
not
kill
Mr.
me.
Meat Man guy. Where are you?
Oof me, oof. Oof me, oof, oof. If I can kill him before he kills me,
Did you die?
that's cool. Hey, I'm just kidding. I'm not like that. Oh, whoa,
Did you die to
wow.
the mimic?
Nope, I actually survived the mimic.
The mimic!
The mimic!
Bruce Scioni Lodiante, where are you?
Am I fighting the
Dude, where are you?
I somehow made it to mainframe.
Dude, you're in mainframe already?
Yeah,
How? You didn't even get to the...
I'm just lucky.
Better back up.
Oh, hey, that's the Baka.
Better back up.
I think I almost died.
Look at this aura.
Oh, clean.
Alright, where's the way? Wait, do you know the way?
I do know. I do not know the way. Do you know the way?
I might have to end your life.
What?
No.
I'm gonna end your life. Pizza.
No, it's not even this one.
Look, kill him and revive me. Kill him and revive me.
No. It's because there's fine.
Thank you.
Come here. Good boy.
Did he just say wow?
Crap! I have no more ammo.
Peak Entertainment, bro said wow. Oh, wait, we might find ammo in this crate. Did guy just meow?
It's over here. It's over here.
I found it. I found where we're supposed to go.
Ow! Help. Help me.
I can't.
Me.
I can't.
Oh, wait, I'll see if there's an exit this way, because I'm pretty sure there's like a boss fight instead. Y'all get to see it with me. I have to do the 6-7 emotes every time I want to go down. Yep, there's a boss fight this way. Bane. Yeah, there's a boss fight. I'm gonna do the outro. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did. And this was Animal Company.